Do you look for a website where you can generate your post, your caption, your hashtags in one place? Here you go, because in this video I'd like to show you an amazing website that does all these processes without any effort from you. Thus, let me show you that. This amazing website is so called Predest.ai. Predest.ai. Here in this wonderful website, you can create stunning social media posts in seconds. And you can also generate captions and target hashtags by using artificial intelligence. Not only that, here in Predest.ai you can publish and schedule your post directly to your social media account like Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. As you see, you plus Predest social media awesomeness. And here on the homepage of Predest.ai, here you can find a great example of posts created by Predest.ai in different topics, in different niches, as you see. Perfect. Additionally, here you can use this amazing website for free. So if you have a look at pricing plans here you will find a lot of pricing plans, starting with free plan $0 a month, and solo, starter, and agency, as you see. So now we can try this amazing website for free without using any credit card details. So click on that, try now. And just you can insert your details like your email and your password. Cover sign up. A verification email has been sent to your email address. This verification message, confirm email address. So easy so far. Welcome back. That you can insert your details, your credentials, your email. Now you will be taken to this dashboard of your account on Predest.ai to create your first post with caption and targeted hashtags. So here to create your post on Predest.ai, just you can direct the artificial intelligence or this robot to create your beautiful post. So you have to insert some details about your post, like how you describe yourself, your business, so you can selling items, for example, okay, or digital marketer or a YouTuber or something like that. What do you sell or promote? So for example, if we want to sell some teas or some t-shirts about motivation or dog lovers and something like that, so we can type t-shirts. Okay, who is your customer, your target audience? So we can select women, for example. Okay, what benefit do they get? So high quality t-shirts, okay, with perfect designs about dog, for example, about dogs. Perfect. Selling dog lover t-shirts, for example. Perfect. And now you can click over that. Next. Here you can select your brand or your theme of your post, primary color, secondary color, font color. Okay, so you can change as you want and click over this next. Perfect. And then you can select the theme of your post. So we can select, for example, this one, the first one. This is and this one. And you have to select 3 templates or 3 themes, so we can select this one as well. And now we can generate your post about your t-shirts which are about dogs. As you see, at the first glance, you will find 3 amazing posts for social media accounts like Pinterest, Instagram, or Twitter. As you see, dogs are the best and dogs lover community. And here you will find this caption of your post, looking for a unique way to show your support for dogs. Check out our collection of dog lover t-shirts. Our high quality t-shirts are, and so on and so forth. Looking for a special gift for a dog lover? Check out our shop and get a dog lover t-shirt for only this price, and so on. As you see, with amazing design and some photos, okay, regarding dogs or the love to dog. So just we can create more posts, okay, or you can edit input. re-enter your previous details about your items, about the description of your post, and so on. So you can click again over this one, create more posts. Okay, generating posts, just a few seconds. Generate high quality and target caption and creative about your description that you have put in the first step. Looking for a way to show your love for dogs, look no further than ours, as you see. Perfect. Some wonderful pictures, as you see. Okay, and now just we find up here some editing tools. Just in these three stripes, you can download the caption, text, download creative, the image of your post, organize, duplicate, or archive. You can just edit this post, or you can publish and schedule your post directly to your social media account. And of course, you have to link your social media accounts to Predest.ai. So I want to edit this post, so click over that, edit. And you will be taken to this editing tools. As you see, here you can insert your logo of your business or your account. Okay, here you can change this photo. You can insert here your t-shirt in question. So here you can find some media. Okay, some photos from Unsplash or other similar websites about dogs, about love to dogs, and so on. Here you can this section your assets. Here you can upload your photos, your images that you want to add in your post. You can add your logo, as you see. You can add some videos, some audio, music tracks, and so on. Okay, as you see, you can add some elements and some shapes, styles. You can change the color palette of your post, as you see, to some coordinated colors. Perfect. And of course, you can add some graphics about your discount, your offers, and something like that. Perfect. There's another thing here you have to know about Predest.ai. Here you can remove the background of any image as you want. Here just we can select your image in question. You will find up here remove background. Just we click over that, it removes the background immediately, as you see. And now you can find up here captions, the text of your post, as you see. You can generate more as you want from here, generate more captions by artificial intelligence. Okay, and then you can select your tone, casual or funny, witty, persuasive, empathetic. And here you can select your hashtags that you can use in your Pinterest or your Instagram or your Twitter. Awesome. Hashtags by caption, based on your caption, your text on your post, like clothing, fashion design, designer wear, design cloth brand, and so on, or based on creative, web design, logo design, and so on and so forth, or by keyword. So we can insert here something like dog lover. Just you can generate hashtags according to your main keyword, like dog lover, dog loves. So we can select this one, dog lover, doggo, and best friend, and dog lover, dog loves, okay, animal, and so on. Just you can copy these hashtags and paste in your post on social media. And when you are done, you have two options. You can download your creative or your post with your caption and your hashtags, or you can schedule it directly to your social media account. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.